This is how you can stop apps from auto-updating on the Google Play Store. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Head to the Play Store or App Store, whichever one is on your phone. Mine is Play Store. Head to the Play Store or App Store. Click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right hand corner or on your profile picture. You can see mine is my profile picture that is showing. Click on that. Next is to click on Settings. Get down to Settings. Settings, Network Preferences, Data Usage for Downloads, Auto Updates. Click on that. Auto Update Apps. Click on Auto Update Apps. You can choose to auto update apps over any network. Of course, data charges may apply, or you can auto update apps over Wi-Fi only, or don't auto update apps. Whichever one you choose, make sure you check the box and click Done. You can decide to turn it off or leave it over Wi-Fi only or over any network and click Done. This is how you can disable or stop the auto update of apps on the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.